My name is Izziyana Suhaimi. I am a textile artist and I work with textile materials like yarns and also fabrics. And the textile techniques that I work with are like weaving, embroidery, and I've also recently incorporated macrame more into my work. What I like the most about these textile techniques is the meditative quality of the work, and I also like just how slow it is and how it takes time to build up. The fact that I can feel the materials in my hands and work with them. Over the years, I found myself being quite uncomfortable having to constantly purchase new materials in order to make new artwork. So I've tried to find ways to incorporate more second-hand materials or like materials that would otherwise be discarded. And I've also tried to source for more sustainable materials like using recycled cotton yarn. For this workshop, what I would like you to take away from it is to look at the textiles in your environment in a different light, for example, your apparel, and to think how you can use these materials in a more thoughtful and mindful way.